Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up conversion rate optimization using Hotjar, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Hotjar website. Sign up for an account if you haven't already. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Navigate to the Sites section to add your website. Click on the Add Site button. Enter your website's URL and select the type of tracking you want. Choose between heat maps, session recordings, and surveys. Once the site is added, follow the instructions to install the tracking code. Copy the provided tracking code snippet. Access your website's backend or use your content management system. Paste the tracking code into the header of your site, just before the closing /head tag. After the tracking code is installed, return to your Hotjar dashboard. Wait for data to accumulate, which might take a few hours. To set up heat maps, go to the Heat Maps tab within your site. Click on Create Heat Map to start. Define the URL for which you want to generate the heat map. Set the goal, such as tracking clicks or scrolling behavior. Customize additional options based on your specific needs. Once configured, click on Next and then Create Heat Map. Monitor the collection of heat map data over the following days. Next, navigate to the Session Recordings section. Click on Recordings to access user interaction data. Set up filters to focus on specific user segments or behaviors. Review recorded sessions to identify user pain points and areas of interest. For user feedback, head to the Surveys section. Click on Create Survey to gather insights directly from users. Choose the format, such as a feedback widget or an exit survey. Craft questions that address your goals for conversion rate optimization. Define targeting rules to determine when the survey will appear. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.